Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs yellow and fluffy. First, let's gather our ingredients. Always start with fresh, good quality eggs. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a clean bowl, being careful not to get any shell fragments in there. Then, add just 1 tablespoon of milk or water to the eggs. This small addition helps create a lighter, more tender texture in your final dish. Now for the secret to fluffiness, whisking. You need to whisk your eggs vigorously for at least 30 seconds. This action incorporates air into the mixture, which is crucial for that light, airy texture we are aiming for. Keep whisking until the eggs are a uniform, bright yellow color with no streaks of clear egg white remaining. This step is vital for both color and texture. Next, let's talk about cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil. Pour in your whisked eggs. Cooking slowly over lower heat is key to preventing browning and maintaining that vibrant yellow color. As the edges begin to set, gently push them towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. This technique ensures even cooking. Finally, for the perfect finish. Remove your eggs from the heat just before they are completely set. They should still look slightly moist. The residual heat from the pan will continue to cook them to perfection, ensuring they remain incredibly tender and fluffy, not dry. Serve your beautiful, bright yellow, fluffy eggs immediately to enjoy their best texture and flavor. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.